Global Education Zone, and today in this special course where we're going to be taking technical drawing through, I'll be starting with lettering and line work for plain and solid geometry. Then we'll also be going into engineering drawing in the second part of this video. This video consists of two main parts: plain and solid geometry and then engineering drawing. So I've done a video to talk about the various sections that this video is divided into. So you can also check that video if you are interested. But today, let's delve into the main work. So, line and lettering. So this lettering is an important part of technical drawing because good letters and neat line work are very pleasing to look at on the drawing. So that is why you have to pay very good attention to your lettering, and there are different rules for lettering in drawing. So one of them is for you to always print between two construction lines. That's one of the rules. And to pencil in the letters lightly with the aid of a ruler and then line it by hand. So that's one way. For example, you can when you are drawing the letters, you can just pencil it with lightly with rulers. So and then you can line in those lines with your hand. Then these are letters. These are lettering: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's lettering. Then let's talk about lines. There are different types of lines that are used in technical drawing. So, for example, this is a thick outline. Thick lines for outline. So these thick lines for outline, they are lines that are used for drawing outlines. They are thick. So and then you draw them with your pencil vertically on the paper. Then we have our thin lines for dimension lines, projection lines, construction lines, and hatching lines. So these thin lines, they are used whenever you want to draw dimension lines. So your dimension lines are used to dimension parts of your drawing. Your projection lines are also used to project different parts of your drawing. Those are projection. And then we have construction lines. Construction lines are the lines that are used that are not the main parts of the drawing. So those are construction lines. They are all drawn with thin lines. Then you have your hatching lines. So your hatching lines are the lines that are drawn at 45 degrees to the horizontal, and they are used to show when you cut through solid parts of an object. Then we have our thin short dashes. These thin short dashes, they are used for showing hidden details, so parts that are not visible. So you use thin short dashes. Then we have thin long chain, are used for center line, pitch circles, path lines for indicating movements. We have thick long chain, which are used for cutting planes and viewing planes. So when you cut through an object, you represent that cut by a thick long chain. Then we have the ruled line short zigzag, which is used for representing long break lines. So long break lines, they are lines that show the parts where an object is cut or broken into two or more sections. Then we have our thick wavy lines, which is used for short break lines and irregular boundary lines. So whenever you want to show whenever you cut through an object and you want to show the short break line, you make use of thick wavy line for that.